To make this hand-molded wax candle, you will need these supplies. Wax from cheese, such as the Baby Bell cheeses. Used candles, such as from a birthday cake. I collect mine in a jar. Optionally, you may want a drink can, scissors, and pliers to make a candle holder. First, get your cheese wax and knead it together by hand.
Fast forward 2 minutes.
Shape it as desired and insert your stick candle. You may continue to shape it and add details after inserting the candle.
Fast forward 3 minutes.
I'm using scissors to press in dents. I'm making an apple shape, but you can do whatever you want. You may also trim the candlestick to make it shorter, or collect more wax to make a bigger candle. If you want to, you can use a drink can to make a base or candle holder. First, trim off the top of the can, saving the bottom of the can with a small lip all the way around it. Be careful not to cut yourself on the sharp edge. I used my scissors to snip short slits all the way around so that the edge would be easier to fold over. Then use pliers to fold the edge to the inside of the can and squeeze together. This prevents the sharp edge from being up against the table.
Fast forward 1 minute.
If the dimple in the bottom of the can is deeper than the edge of your can, causing it to rock when you set it on the table, press it flat with your hands or a flat object. You can see the dimple has been pressed in to form a flat spot in the bottom of the concave area of my candle holder. Now it sets flat and stable. You can set your candle inside. Check the description below this video for a link to Renegade Upcycled Goods Facebook page.